everyone, this is Darvesh Khan, Subject Specialist English. I'm here with a new video for today. That is lecture number 22. Lecture number 22 is about the fifth type of grammar. What is that? This is comparative grammar. What is comparative grammar? From the word comparative, we understand there is comparison. So we understand that comparative grammar is the study of the grammatical structures by analyzing and comparing in different languages or in related languages or dialects. For example, this is Italian version. This version means fish. Now these words, this version, this variety is in English and this variety is in Italian. This means that the variety of English and the dialect in Italian, these two different, they look similar to us. Therefore we say P-A-D-R-E, father here, and here is father. While here is linguaggio, here is language. These different words, the comparison of these different words, such comparison is also called analogy. An analogy is called the comparison between words borrowed from another language, or how that word is used in that language and how it is used in this language. Suppose in Pashto, we say thaqafat, or in Urdu we say thaqafat, but this is not the word of Pashto. This is the word borrowed from another language. Suppose I say in English there is the word culture, but in Persian language, there is a word kultur. Kultur and culture, they are the same. So we say that this word is borrowed into English from Persian language. This is called comparative grammar. Now in comparative grammar, we have some certain structures. Suppose there is German language and maybe the German language has a kind of influence over English, or English has a kind of influence over German language. So the comparison of structures in these two different languages, we come to know that one structure in German and one structure in English, they look the same. Such comparison is called comparative grammar. For example, I say that comparing even the parental languages or such languages in, that of them, the ancestors are the same. On English, there is the influence of French as well. There is the influence of Italian language as well. There is the influence of Latin language as well. There is the influence of Greek language as well. So we know that a structure in Greek language and a structure in English, so that gets us to that very historicism, that very history of that structure, from where it has come into this language. Such is called comparative grammar. In Pashto, we use one way. We use file, maf'ul and fail. While in English, we use subject, then verb, then object. Thank you all.